I have over 100 makeup palettes and a random number generator picked the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette. Let's go. This was released in 2023 and it has a lot of different formulas, including an eye gloss, which is pretty fun. I've already done my base this time. I wanted to go with a lighter tone because I wanted to have kind of like a vampire slash, if you know the Instagram account Ghoul in Japan, I'm looking for that kind of a vibe. We're going to start with the Milk Hydrogrip Primer. Just get that all over the eye. Now I'm going to take a brush and really even that out. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush into Beauty Chaos and get that all over the lid. And below. Now that we're looking like a sickly Victorian child, I'm going to go into the shade Nirvana with the same brush and just deepen the socket. And I get that outer corner too. Now I'm going to go in with a slightly more packed brush and go into shade Freedom. Just get that right on the edge and transition that first shade. There's not a lot of space there, but it'll still do what we want it to. On the edge of the brush, I'm going to go into Renegade and go back into the crease. This is where we're starting to see more of that depth. Now I'm going to go back into Renegade on the tip of the brush and just deepen up that outer corner. It's okay if it's a little bit messy, that's kind of what we want. With Renegade, with whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to go under my eye. Just kind of complete that circle. Next, I'm going to take my finger and go into shade Rebel and take that on the lid. And underneath. Now I'm going to go in with my other finger and I'm going to go into shade Maverick and go in my inner corner. And add a little bit more Rebel. Now I'm going to go ahead and tightline the upper and lower lash lines. And let that bleed under my eye just a little bit. And I'm gonna wing it out. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. Add mascara. And to finish it off, I'm going to add a black lip oil. What do you think? Overall, the Pretty Grunge palette is one of my favorites. I do love a good Huda beauty palette. It's great for every day, it's great for looks like this, and it's just really fun to play with. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye. Fries, one more thing. Let's try a red lip with this.